Hello, brothers and sisters. We are going to do another episode of some Star Forts. Look at all this energy coming right over here to Valencia, Spain. Right? So I come over here, put in Valencia, Spain forts, and look at this. The 10 best things to do in Valencia. Valencia, forts and castles. Well, folks, let's be real. You can already see the star formations in this, can't you? I don't know which one this one is, but that's definitely going to be a fun one to go take a peek at, don't you think? Wait a minute. Sagunto Roman Fort and Medieval Jewish Quarter. In Valencia, Spain? That seems pretty interesting. Castles and Forts of Spain. Look at that. There's a whole bunch of them on a castle of Muslim origin. In Spain? Wow. So, guess what I did? I went ahead over to Google Earth and I just typed it in. And it doesn't take very long to start seeing them. Oh, look at this. A triangle. Wow. Wonder what they're doing with that there. But let's get our look at all the triangles. You got edges cut off there. Edges cut off on all four of these corners here. Go this way. Yep. Kind of looks like Tony Stark's little chest piece, don't it? Oh, look at the roof over here. Kind of looks like we're starting to get stars going on. Uh-oh. Well, I would say uh-oh, but it's really not uh-oh. Oh, yeah. This right here is we're the center of Valencia, Spain. But so I just started looking at this, and right away, what do I see over here? Oh, sorry, folks. Had some technical difficulties there. But as we can see here, look, here's another cross. And here's a star right here. Look at that. And you can see all the nice little points here. I mean, really, the top of the roof almost looks like it's trying to form a star. There's stars that look over here. There's another star on the roof if you're looking straight down at it. And there's all kinds of fun stuff going on. Then, of course, we got this guy here. Another cross. Star on top. Oh my gosh. Hidden in plain sight, folks. We just weren't able to see it. Look at this. This here is like yep, look at that. 4-pointed star. Cross. It's almost like you can't unsee it. Look at this here. Oh, yeah. You got the points on the top of this looking like a... Oh, yeah, look at that. It's got the points here. This is all made out of stone, and stone is the big thing. You got to use the stone. It uses the natural harnessing powers of the crystals and the stones. Let's get ourselves rotated where we're looking straight down. Man, that's really bugging me. Having recording issues, it's not very happy with me. Oh yeah, that's very interesting. See, notice how it's got the two towers, kind of goes back to Llanos. And tomorrow's going to be 1-1, so yeah. People, be careful. Tomorrow, these stars over here. Stars. Another star. Remember the Matrix? The key guy? This almost looks like a key. I mean, it's everywhere. They are everywhere. Here's another cross here. A little bit. Wow. Let's go take a look and see what that is. Look at that. Another roundabout here in a certain direction. Trying to direct the energy. Look at that. Freemasonry. Out of curiosity, does this here look like some kind of a chip on a computer board? Right here? I mean, if that one's not enough for you, what about this one? That's exactly what this looks like. My gosh. I mean, how much more obvious do we need to be that We're in some form of a freaking matrix, people. Like, seriously. I mean, you see the cross here? In the road? The very road itself. There's a cross. You got the triangle here. You got another triangle here. Holy smokes, they're everywhere. It's kind of nice when it takes it a while for the roads to highlight up so that way it kind of blurs it out for you. That's very nice of them. Look at all of these. Holy smokes. Let's actually go check out by the sea and see what's over there. I bet you we'll find some better star forts. I didn't even make it into a full grab. I grabbed on this side of the screen to move it over this way. And look what we got here. Okay. We've got another XRP symbol. Look at this. There's an eye in the middle of it. But this is what really gets me. This looks like a deadgum UFO, doesn't it? That looks like a UFO. So does this one. What? Here's another triangle. Direction of our energy, big old roundabout. What in the world is that? That's a museum? There's a lot going on with museums. Uh-oh. Look at that. There's a star right out in the open. Here's another star right out in the open. Here's another. Look at this. Cross, 4 points. Round in the middle. Guarantee you that right there by the thumb. Definitely going to be an antenna of some sort. I didn't even make it. I just literally did one right here. This looks like it could be the ship. There's a star right there. Looks like it's kind of bumpy like this, to almost like a funky looking star. I mean, what is this? The airport? Kind of looks like it's in a star shape right here, of some sort. Where's the water? Okay, now we found the water. Oh, look at this. Even the port itself looks like a snowflake. Oh my gosh. These guys are killing me. Let me see if I can find these actual forts here. Here we are at Castello de Valencia de Don Juan, Spain. And here it is right here, folks. Look at that. Here's the front part of it. So, yep, 6 pointed, well, 5 points actually. But there used to be a little round column here, but you can see them here. 1, 2, 3. Look at how that comes around. Oh, actually, look at how the shadows cast it down here, and this actually looks like a bird. Isn't that interesting? It's actually quite interesting. But when you see the shadows casting down, you can see the points here. In fact, here's like a little, almost like a ninja star, if you will, like 3-pointed right here. Here's another one right here. Very interesting. So there's one. Where is it by? Water. Oh yes. You gotta love it. And here we are at Castel de Zativa. And sure enough, look at this, right here in Valencia. This one actually does not like staying directly above it, but you can absolutely see it here. All the points coming over here. You can actually see it here like on a wall. But they actually have this kind of blurred out. I'm actually a little peeved off about it. They had a really nice, see what I mean? They kind of move it around on you. So I was over here looking at it on Google Earth. You can clearly see the star-shaped patterns here. Look at this. You can see it clearly here on the wall, like the borders of it. That's actually pretty cool. Here's another part of it over here. But yeah, check out over here when I'm on Maps, Google Maps. Here's the cross right here, right in the middle of well, they call it Castle Yativa, but it's the same castle. I'll actually kind of zoom out a little bit and you can tell this is what I was looking at. So I guess it depends on the time of year that you look at it, but this is the same castle. As you can see, I put it up in here. And this is it right here. There's the cross. This is fun. Look at that. And all because I happened to see it on this. Ain't it interesting, folks? Anyways, Let's see if I can find another one just for giggles. And it's looking like our next stop is China, folks. Jian, China? Yeah, we got a little activity. It looks like it's all kind of pointing right over here. So, let's see if I can find something. So, I put in Jian, China, and then come to find out there's a name for it. It's called Jiangxi. And here's where we're at. And right off the bat, believe it or not, you can see a 4-pointed star here. Just in the roads. Isn't that interesting? And across, over the bridges. That's pretty interesting, don't you think? Oh, look. Here's another one star right here. We're already getting there. Huh. And it just keeps getting better, folks. Every time you click in, you go, and it clears up, you go, wait a minute, do what? Come on. Oh yeah, it gets better. There you go. There's your star right here. Whoop. And here's some form of a palace of some sort. Almost looks like some kind of a computer chip or something. But yeah. And look right over here. You got another star. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8-pointed star right here. And look at this. Here you got your circles again. You got more circles. All we got to do is find a cross. Who thinks we can find one? I mean, wouldn't this in a sense be a cross? I mean, every one of these would be small crosses. But here's another one right here. Here's another star. Boop, boop. 1, 2, 3, 4. Wonder if it'll let me zoom in a little tighter. Ooh, it will. Yeah, look at that. There's another cross. 8-point. Look at this. Snowflake. Another little star for it there. Once again, almost looks like Tony Stark's little whatchamacallit. Quite interesting, huh? Oh, here we go. There's a cross. More crosses here. Oh, look at this. More snowflakes. Or stars. Or actually, if you look at it right, it almost looks like a swastika, doesn't it? Oh yeah, look at the roofs. The roofs are a dead giveaway. Look at that. Snowflakes. Snowflake patterns. Stars. Holy cow, they're everywhere. Look at the tops of these buildings. They're all designed that way. Crazy. They're all over, everyone. We just have to be able to have eyes to see and ears to hear. That's for sure. Goodness. Let's see if we can find the cross. Not too much further away. Look at this. Here's another beautiful star. I mean, looking straight up. I mean, and then look. Here's at the corner. Whoop. There's another one. Another one. Another one. Snowflake. Star. And right down here, there's our cross. They're everywhere, folks. You guys have a good one. We do have a little bit of space weather, but I want to have more evidence, if you will. I want to have more things to look at. It literally goes right up to the end, and it kind of stops, and it's like I want to have a little bit more before I actually do a video on it. So I'll probably end up doing that tomorrow morning. You guys have a happy new year. I hope everyone can kind of let go of the past and all the bullcrap that had happened, and just try and really focus on the positive in the future. And I really hope 2022 is going to be a good, positive future for everyone. God bless you all, and remember, love is the only way forward.